In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram messages not sending. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for even more tips just like this. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Instagram specific content. Now, if your Instagram DMs are not going through, don't worry, we're going to walk you through how you can fix it step by step. The first step is pretty obvious, and it's just actually restarting the Instagram app. So go ahead and swipe up and scroll out of Instagram, and that's going to fully close it. From here, go ahead and reopen up Instagram and try sending that message again. That being said, if that still hasn't fixed the issue, go ahead and back out of Instagram and open up your app store. What you're going to want to do here is then search for Instagram and just check to see if the app has any updates. Usually you do have to go on the app specific page for this, but as you can see, mine doesn't have any updates. That being said, an outdated app may cause message issues. If that still isn't the issue for you, go ahead and press and hold on the Instagram app and select remove app. From here, go back to the App Store and search up Instagram again and reinstall it. This will allow you to check your messages and possibly send them as well. The final thing that you could do is simply go ahead and open up your browser and search up Instagram outages and just check to see if Instagram is currently down. If there's a big spike in reports, it means Instagram is having issues and you'll just need to wait it out. But yeah, that's it. One of these fixes should have solved the problem. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more videos like this. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments section below, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.